Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar Dua Lipa with the song called Houdini, magical song here. And yeah, Dua Lipa, she was one of the first artists I covered here on Go On Guitar actually. Perhaps remember We're Good if you've been with me for about 2 years or so back then. We did this We're Good, and also Love Again has been here on this channel, if I'm not mistaken, from Dua Lipa. This time Houdini. Alright, so this is not your typical guitar song, it's a dance song here. But anyway, you can do almost anything on guitar, so that's sometimes fun to show. Let's take a look at this song, and we will use a capo, which is set here on the 5th position. So capo on 5th. And with that, we have 4 different chords to handle here. So let's take a look at the chords. We'll start with A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Then we have the E minor with some added notes there. So that will be this grip, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, and then this added note, third B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. So just some technique stuff there to mention when it comes to chord switches there. A minor and then D minor. And from this D minor here, you hold the 3rd fret on the B string here already from the chord. Okay, don't let that go. Keep that one and then recuperate your fingers up to this E minor that comes right after. So from D minor, take your index and middle finger and place it up here on the bass strings and keep that ring finger on the 3rd fret B string. And the same goes from this E minor to the G. This ring finger will be still, this ring finger on the 3rd fret B string will be still with us. For the G, you just add a little pinky below and then recuperate your fingers on the bass strings to this position to get the G. That is a great scenario if you could do that, very effective. So A minor, D minor, A minor, and G. So you don't have to start all over again from every chord like this to let everything go, because then of course it's harder to get the notes usually. So something to consider. Now, how do we handle these chords? Very easy. It's down, clap, 1 time per chord. So like this. Okay. The last chord here, the G, it's just a tad longer between the down and the clap. Okay, because we are kind of falling forward here when we're playing. So A minor, clap D, clap E, clap G, and clap, and then one, two. Like this, and that pretty much is what's happening here in Dua Lipa's Houdini. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if it was helpful, let me know that. Leave a comment, support me on this channel, and see you next time. Play tune.